So now you see Kinga's Chapel, the most beautiful place lying here underground. And Kinga, she was the princess I told you the legend about on the first level. And now she is our local saint, patron saint of salt miners. And almost all you see down in the chapel, this is salt. Even the chandeliers, all carvings, the tiles on the floor, this is salt. And what is interesting, please imagine yourselves that this chapel was arranged here only by the 3 ordinary miners. And first one started to do the carvings 1896, last one finished 1964. So you see that all together, one by one, of course, it took them about 70 years. And regularly, 3 times a year minus the services here, sometimes more times a year. It's also a possibility to rent this place, for example, for the wedding ceremony. Why not?
Is this salt mine still active?
Yes. So come closer to me, please. Okay, so now we are about 350 feet underground. This is second level. And now I would like to show you the most interesting carvings here. So first, let's look at the baby Jesus in the crib. You see, baby has a different color. It's a pink baby, so looks as a baby, but this is only salt, pink salt, salt which contains iron. And much salt in our salt mine. This is such gray one you see on the floor, for example, but it's also a possibility to find veins or pockets of the pure salt, white one. And for example, Godfather, this one, and Kinga, our local saint in the altar, they are made of the purest kind of salt, which is in the big pockets, about 96% pure sodium chloride. Now come here, please. And now let's look carefully at this carving with the donkey. And why? Because one miner have done here a very silly mistake. And now maybe short quiz for you. I will help you. Something is wrong with the donkey. So let's try to find a mistake. But yes, you are right. But what about the legs? Not the hooves, no. Yes, yes, of course this is impossible, that donkey stays on its 2 left legs. Donkey is always used to opposite legs, never 2 legs on the same side, like this one.
That's a good idea. Still giving him credit.
And what was interesting, you see many crystals on the chandeliers. And in the Kinga's background, you see natural salt crystals. And very interesting is the Last Supper, which is only 12 centimeters deep. You imagine yourselves that the Last Supper is deeper, much deeper. And this is also a 3-dimensional picture, because if we are looking at the Last Supper from the right side of the room, perspective we have left. Let's look again at the Last Supper from the left side of the room, perspective will be right. But everything, this is optical illusion, because come closer to see that the picture is quite shallow, 12 centimeters, no more. So now maybe short time for you to see better, to take the pictures.